Hello and welcome to Ableton Live for Beginners. My name is Dylan and I will be your instructor for this course. I created this course to help you get started making music right away in Ableton Live. So whether you just opened the software for the first time and you've never made music before in your life, or if you have some experience producing but you're just feeling a little bit stuck and you're not sure how to get to the next level, this course is for you. Wouldn't it be nice if you had an experienced producer sitting next to you in your studio and just explaining the fundamentals of the software, pointing out what you can do and how to do it? Well, that's what I intend to do in this course. I want to teach you the basics so that you can start making music right now. I remember when I first started producing, I didn't really care about all the little technical details. I just wanted to create. So that's what this course is all about. I want to teach you what you need, get started making music, and then as you progress, you can fill in the details as you become more advanced. So if that sounds cool to you, sign up today. Let's start making some music. Thanks so much. Bye.